This is what we're getting into today, y'all. See that? I bought the CRV this way, y'all. And we found a replacement for like, I think 20 bucks maybe, 50 bucks. How much was the door handle, babe? I don't remember. So I'm just gonna get to it today. I've been looking up videos. There's legit not one YouTube video on how to change it. So we just going for it, y'all. We going for it. Taking the door, we're gonna take the door panel off and go at that. Let's get it, y'all. Let's get it. If you're interested and you have this CRV, I got you. Let's go. To pop this door card off, you have to pop this one little plastic that's in the door handle. It has 2 screws there, a screw underneath there, and I think there's 1 or 2 more. I gotta find them. Pretty easy. It's 4 screws to get the door panel off. All you have to do is unplug the window and make sure your lock stays there. But now I gotta get up in there to get this damn handle off. And I'm battling the rain, so if the video's not great, blame Florida, all right? Blame Florida. Due to Florida rain, we had to come in the garage and it's not even raining anymore. Just a heads up, it's 2 bolts for that door handle. You have to take off this lock, like the whole piece here. It's 3 screws. Make sure to use the right screws, because if not, you're gonna strip them. And let me tell y'all, this has been a pain in the, I don't even want to say it, but it's been one of those, y'all, for real. I'm sweating. It's crazy. This is the moment of truth. This is the test fit. Let's see how it goes. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? It looks like it works. Let's see. The door's locked. The door's locked, and I hope the door's locked. I hope. Let's check. All right, the door was locked. Let's see. You ready? Woo. Let's see. Hey, we got a door handle, baby. We got a door handle. And it's on, baby. It is on. Now I gotta put the door card back on. The only thing that sucks, it doesn't match the rest of the door handles. So I'm debating if I should Plasti dip the rest of the handles to match, look on eBay or somewhere to see if they have covers, or paint match this one door handle. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. I don't know, man. I kind of like the black.
The next morning,
we might as well get rid of this chrome emblem too, right? Might as well. So all because of this door handle, y'all. All because of this door handle. We have to match them. That's the first coat. It says to let it dry about 30 minutes and then go at it again and again. All right, y'all, first coat. It's drying pretty nice, man. I ain't mad at it at all. Not mad at it at all. So we're waiting about 30 minutes and then we're gonna hit it with another coat. Is Plasti dip still a thing? Like, do people still, thanks a lot, truck. Is there, do people still Plasti dip their, like their cars? You remember like in the late 2000s, maybe 2010, 2012, everybody was Plasti dipping their car? Do people still Plasti dip their car, or is it all vinyl wrap? That's a good question. That's a good question. Second coat is on. It's laying pretty nice, y'all. And it's very close. It's probably not as glossy as the factory black one, but it'll get the job done. Not bad, not bad. Just like that, CRV is done. The CRV is done. Not bad. Not bad at all. Could be a little cleaner, but come on now. Talk to me nice. Look at what someone's making me do now. She's seen the CRV logo painted, and look at what she's making me do, y'all. Sheesh. First layer is on, y'all. First layer is on. I know it's not a big deal to do this, but it's kind of nerve-wracking when you do it on a brand new car, not gonna lie. Not gonna lie, I know it wipes off, I know all of that, but doing it on a new car, stressful. I forgot to film peeling it off, but you see it, y'all. You see it. This is a real simple job to do, y'all. It like took maybe a couple hours because of dry time, but something small, but looks so much better, y'all. So much better. All right, y'all. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We did the door handle, did the Plasti dip, and we're one step closer just getting the CRV done. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please make sure to hit that thumbs up down below. And if you're not part of the family, all you have to do is make that little red button, just tap it. Tap it, subscribe, and join the family. We are also on stream Monday through Friday, 9:30 EST to about 12:30, 1 o'clock. So if you want to hang out with me, hit the link in the description. And with that being said, talk to y'all later. Catch you on the next one. Peace.